Both ceramic coatings and paint protection films, PPF, serve as effective methods to safeguard your vehicle's paint, but they differ in their application, durability, and protective properties. Choosing between the two often depends on your preferences, budget, and the level of protection you seek. Ceramic coating. Application. Ceramic coatings are liquid polymer solutions applied directly to the car's paint. They create a semi-permanent bond with the paint, enhancing its gloss and providing hydrophobic properties. Protection. Offers protection against UV rays, oxidation, and some minor scratches. Acts as a sacrificial layer, shielding the paint from environmental contaminants like bird droppings, tree sap, and chemicals. Durability. Typically lasts between 2 to 5 years depending on the quality of the coating and maintenance. Requires reapplication after the coating wears off. Appearance. Enhances the gloss and depth of the paint, giving it a sleek finish. Doesn't add bulk or alter the appearance of the vehicle. Cost. Generally more affordable than PPF but varies based on the brand and quality of the coating. Paint protection film, PPF. Application. PPF is a clear, thermoplastic urethane film applied directly to the car's surface. It can cover the entire vehicle or specific areas prone to damage like the front bumper, hood, and side mirrors. Protection. Offers robust protection against stone chips, scratches, and other physical damage. Provides a higher level of defense against road debris compared to ceramic coatings. Durability. Usually lasts longer than ceramic coatings, around 5 to 10 years, depending on the quality and thickness of the film. 4. Appearance. Can slightly alter the appearance due to its thickness, but high-quality PPF is virtually invisible when applied correctly. Cost. Generally more expensive than ceramic coatings due to material costs and installation. Choosing the right option. Level of protection. If you prioritize protection against physical damage like rock chips and scratches, PPF might be a better choice. For everyday environmental protection and ease of maintenance, ceramic coatings are suitable. Budget consideration. Ceramic coatings are usually more budget-friendly initially, while PPF tends to have a higher upfront cost due to materials and labor. Appearance preferences. If you want minimal alteration to your vehicle's appearance, a high-quality ceramic coating might be preferable. PPF is great for those who want comprehensive protection without significantly changing the look of their vehicle. Longevity and maintenance. PPF typically lasts longer and offers stronger protection against physical damage, but both options require proper maintenance for optimal performance. Ultimately, the choice between ceramic coatings and PPF depends on your specific needs and preferences. Some car owners opt for a combination of both for comprehensive protection. Consulting with a professional detailing or automotive service provider can help you make an informed decision based on your vehicle and priorities.